In this video, I want to show you how to crop a folder of images quickly and easily in Adobe Bridge so that they're the correct size and shape to order skinny minis from H&H Color Lab in hhstudio. First, to select all of our images. These could be JPEGs, as we see here, or they could be RAW files. We're going to come under File and choose Open in Camera RAW. In Camera Raw, we're going to press Select All, come to our Crop tool, press and hold on that for just a second, and choose Custom. The custom size that we want to put in is 1 1/8 by 2 3/4. We can find that on the H&H website under our Skinny Mini Cards details. 1 1/8 is actually 1.125. And 2 3/4 is 2.75. We'll press OK and drag our crop down over that image and center that up. Because we had all of our images selected at once, it's going to apply a batch crop, but we can come into them one at a time and tweak the crop so we get the results that we want. Once we have all the images adjusted, we're going to once again select them all. I just did that very quickly with a Control or Command A. Come under Save Images. Press our location where we want to save these. I'm going to actually put these into a new folder. I'm not going to change the naming. I'll save these out as JPEGs with a quality of 12 using the sRGB color space. I'm going to choose Resize to Fit for the short side and set that to be 1.125, which is that 1 1/4 inches. And now I'll press Save and press Done. We can see that Bridge has created this folder for us and very quickly put in all of our cropped images. At this point, it's very easy to undo that cropping because we didn't crop these original images. We can select them all one more time, right-click, choose Develop Settings, and choose Clear Settings, and that will undo all the cropping that we just applied, and we still have our skinny minis here available for our order.